So let's look at some of the details of this guy. So he's a US-based Indian engineer. He's been working there for a while now. As the allegation suggests, that he worked for many companies, worked at some of the most promising US startups. He particularly worked in the AI sector, and as I mentioned, they were mostly some of the most promising startups in the US ecosystem. And he worked multiple full-time jobs at once. So this is the exact problem that the authorities have been alleging. Working at multiple firms won't be that much of a problem at different times, but he worked at all of these firms at the same time is what many people are alleging. And they've accused him of gaming the US startups, as you mentioned earlier. He has been accused of rigging the hiring structure to get many jobs at once, and he allegedly exploited loopholes of remote work culture. So he used remote work culture to get many jobs at the same time. He was excelling in interviews. He had a really good resume. So he used all of that to his advantage and had landed multiple jobs. Some say as many as 3 jobs. So he cited financial stress for moonlighting. He has come out now and said that it was out of compulsion that he had to do multiple jobs, and cited the financial stress. And he has quoted that no one likes to work 140 hours per week. This is what he's been claiming, that he was forced to work up to 140 hours per week because he was under financial duress. What kind of exact duress was there, that remains to be seen, but this is what the story is so far.